Hi, my name is Tiara, and I'm doing a science project on hatching chicks. My instruments I have to use is this heat lamp, this thermometer, and this egg. And I will have to write down when it was laid. Right now? Okay, I got it wrote down. And it'll take up to 21 to 24 days for it to hatch. And I'll have to rotate it two to three times a day. This is the beginning of my science project. Hi, my name is Tiara.
What's the date? How many days?
My egg is 6 days old, and I have a new instrument that I'm using, which is this flashlight. And if we go into a dark room and we have the egg held up and we put the flashlight against it, we'll see if there's a little baby inside. And first the baby was up here on the top, and then we moved the egg and it came to the middle of the egg. So the egg is alive. And the temperature of the heat has to be 337 degrees Celsius.
And you've been doing what to the egg?
And I've been turning the egg 2 to 3 times a day.
How many days?
It's 6 days old.
So I'll be back in a few more days.
So I'll be back in a few more days. Bye. While we wait for the egg to hatch, we wonder what the baby chick might look like. So if we look at the physical traits, which they depend on the feathers, the body shape, and the weight, which the baby chick's parents have different parents, which means the weight, the body shape, and the feathers will be different. And then if we look at the inherited trait, which depend on the color, like if you do black to black, which equals 100% black, or if you do black to blue, which equals 50% black and 50% blue. Dylan is red and Brandy is brown. They are about the same size, so the baby will be about the same size, and we would likely get 50% red and 50% brown for the baby. Today is the 21st day of my science fair project. We turn the egg 2 to 3 times a day, and we try and keep the degrees at 37 degrees Celsius. And hopefully it'll hatch between today and Saturday. Today is the 26th day and the egg has not hatched, and we are going to candle it, and then we're going to crack it to see if there's anything in it. The egg and what it looks like. This is the air pocket, and this is what the baby was, and you can tell it's not moving. We are going to crack it and see what's inside, and I hope you're ready for this. Ow! This is something was formed right there, and you can see the definition of it right here. Hey, this is Tira, and I'm summing up my hatching an egg project. Based on my research, we did everything right. We had the heat lamp, we had the thermometer at the right temperature, 37 degrees Celsius. We turned the egg 3 times a day, but we weren't able to, on day 25, we weren't able to put the egg at 70% humidity. If we had an incubator, we would have been able to do that. And it would have hatched. I hope you enjoyed my science project.